This video provides a brief overview, showing how simple it is to run a Vericut session by using the Mastercam to Vericut interface, MCAMV. Here we have the Mastercam file open. This Mastercam manufacturing file has two toolpath groups, Toolpath Group 1 and Toolpath Group 2. They contain all of the manufacturing data required for the Vericut session. We are now ready to launch MCAMV. Here we have the Vericut interface. The fields necessary to export all Mastercam toolpath groups to Vericut have been set, and we can now launch the Vericut session. To do that, we simply select the Output and Run button, and MCAMV will output the Mastercam manufacturing data to Vericut. Here we have the Vericut session with the Mastercam manufacturing data preloaded and ready to simulate the CNC machine. We simply select Play, and Vericut processes the NC programs. The simulation has stopped at the end of the first setup. With a simple click, the cut part has been repositioned and we are ready to process the second setup. As you can see, MCAMV tightly integrates the two programs to help you create the most accurate and efficient NC programs possible. It makes verifying NC programs and simulating CNC machines a much easier and efficient process. You can verify individual operations, a series of operations, or a set of complete NC programs. Vericut runs independently of the Mastercam process, so you can continue working in Mastercam while simulating your NC programs.